Hello. So this is Cooper. Normally, happiest little dude you'll meet in your whole life. Unfortunately, when you go to work sometimes, it can get a little feisty. Now the only issue I've got, how do I take him from this to this? So I thought, I'll try food. Who doesn't love food? Then I thought, play some games. That'll tire him out. Surely, games. Then it hit me. You ever seen anybody in a bad mood at the beach? No. You ever seen anybody insane at the beach? No. Everybody's in a great mood. So I did what any logical person would do, and I took my cat to the beach. To be fair though, I don't think cats really have as much fun at the beach as humans do. To be completely honest, really I think he just viewed it as the world's largest litter tray. So while it wasn't laying there and sunbathing and doing nothing and just vegging out the whole time, he did sleep the entire car ride home, so I guess that's still a win.